Hello, and thank you for tuning in to Zippo Lion's Den. This is just a short video of two Zippos that I found just a few days ago when I had to take my father to a town not too far away from me called Green Bay for his surgery. And while he was in surgery, I went to one of my favorite stops and I found one Zippo I wanted and one I didn't know I wanted, but they were both good prices. First one is this one. It's an older Marlboro one. This one from 2003, I believe. I believe it is called the Storming Scroll design. It was never used, in really good shape. Right year for the insert, but the months don't match. That doesn't matter. Like I said, that's called the Storming Scroll design. And then this one I got for $19 in tax. It is called number 765. Get over it. Press to escape into the lighter side of the Millennium. Zippo Millennium series. Push on that to open the tin. Fact, the 20th century is gone. Get over it. I love that. Nice little tin. I gotta do something with that camera. I keep knocking it over. Fact, the 20th century is gone. It is an XV, FXV, which makes it a 1999. It's an E 1999 insert with an F 1999 case. Matte orange. I had to drill the flint out of this one. That's how bad this one was, but it was never used. And those are my two little finds that I found. I just like this tin. Press it to open. And just squeeze it to shut. I think that's kind of cool. So, my two finds cost me $40 and some change for them both. And I'm glad to have them to add to my collection. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I hope you have a great day.